Are you ready, Baby J?
Yeah.
Yeah? So what are we going to do today? Say speech therapy. So today we're going to be working on some speech therapy with Mr. Baby J, and we're working on vowel practice, and it teaches him his vowels as well as helps him use his mouth and open his mouth and pronounce those shapes so that we can understand when he talks what he means. So it's just practice we do every day. It takes no more than like 5 minutes to do as a part of our speech therapy. Are you ready, Baby J?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead.
A-I-O-U-E.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
A, E,
E,
I.
O-U.
Good job. Now we're going to try different variations. Ready?
Okay.
A, E,
E,
I, O, U.
U.
A, E, I, O, U.
U.
Ready? It's going to get harder. A, E, I. A, E, I. O, U. O, U. I, O. Good job. All right. So we're going to continue, but we're going to log off without it recording. But hopefully this helps you. Say bye, Baby J.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.